Hi, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I discuss about how to open a on-screen keyboard on your computer or laptop. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. You can see here is my on-screen keyboard are open and I can write from here with my on-screen keyboard. Okay. For open your on-screen keyboard, click on your control panel and go as of access section. Then you can see here is start on screen keyboard option are available. To open your on-screen keyboard, just click on here. You can see here is your on-screen keyboard are open. You can resize it from here and you can minimize from here. You can do all work, and when you want to write, just click on here and you can see here your on-screen keyboard open, and again you can minimize from here. This way you can open your on-screen keyboard. Thanks for watching.